Have you ever wondered how you can grow your own peppers and make money from it? Welcome to the spicy world of pepper farming, an agricultural venture that is not only fulfilling, but also potentially lucrative. With an ever-growing demand for peppers, both in our local markets and on the international stage, the profitability of pepper farming is on a steady incline. Peppers are a staple in many cuisines around the world, adding that much-needed zest and heat to our dishes. This universal appeal and necessity make pepper farming a venture worth considering. And the best part? It's a business that anyone can dive into and thrive, whether you're a seasoned farmer or an enthusiastic beginner. Think about it, growing your own peppers, nurturing them from seed to mature plant, and then selling them for profit. It's a cycle of growth and reward that is truly satisfying. If you've been thinking about diving into this venture, you're in the right place. We're about to guide you through the process. First things first, you need to prepare adequately before you start your pepper farming journey. Let's take a moment to talk about the essentials, shall we? To kick things off, selecting the right variety of pepper is critical. There's a myriad of options out there, from bell peppers to habaneros, each with their unique growth requirements and market demand. So, make sure you choose wisely. Next, you'll want to find the perfect spot for your farm. Ideally, this should be a location with plenty of sunlight, as peppers adore the sun. It should also be easily accessible for ease of farming and transportation. Now, let's talk about soil preparation. Peppers thrive best in well-drained, fertile soil. You'll want to aim for a pH between 6.0 and 6.8. This may require a bit of work, but believe me, it's worth the effort. Once you've prepared your farm, you're ready to start planting. Now that your farm is ready, it's time to plant your peppers. Begin by delicately placing each seed in a hole about 1/4 inch deep. Proper spacing is crucial to allow each plant to flourish without competition for resources. So remember to leave about 18 inches of space between each plant. Next comes the watering. Saturate the soil after planting, but be careful not to drown your seeds. A gentle drizzle will suffice. Regular weeding is also essential to prevent these unwanted plants from stealing nutrients from your peppers. Pest control is another critical aspect of care. Keep a vigilant eye for any signs of damage and act swiftly to prevent a spread. Natural pesticides can be your best friend here. And, of course, patience is key. Regular care and attention are vital to ensure a good yield. Monitor your plants, provide them with what they need, and they will reward you generously. With consistent care and attention, your peppers will grow beautifully. Once your peppers are mature and ready for harvesting, it's time to make some money. Now, the best time to harvest your peppers is when they're fully grown and vibrant in color. The method is simple. Just cut the stem about 1 inch from the pepper. Remember to wear gloves, as some varieties can be quite spicy to the touch. After harvesting, it's all about selling. There are several avenues to explore. Local markets are a great place to start. You could also approach restaurants. Chefs love fresh, locally grown produce. But don't stop there. Consider exporting your peppers internationally. The demand for exotic, high-quality produce is high across the globe. Quality control is crucial in this process. Ensure your peppers are free from pests and diseases, and let's not forget packaging. Your peppers should be packed in a way that maintains their freshness and prevents damage. With the right strategies, you can make a good profit from your pepper farming venture. Let's quickly recap on the steps to successful pepper farming. Our journey began with an introduction to the vibrant world of pepper farming. We then moved on to the crucial phase of preparing for your pepper farming journey, which involves understanding your soil, climate, and the best types of pepper to plant. Next, we delved into the nitty-gritty of planting and caring for your peppers. We discussed the importance of regular watering, the right use of fertilizers, and how to keep pests at bay. Once our peppers were ripe and ready, we learned about harvesting and selling our peppers, both locally and internationally. We emphasized the potential profitability of pepper farming, given the increasing demand for peppers around the globe. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to making money from growing peppers. Happy farming!
Keep making money. See you at the top.